Did you know that cockroaches can live for up to 1 week without their heads? Quite a bizarre fact, isn't it? This unexpected survival ability of cockroaches is due to their unique biological makeup. Not like us humans, their open circulatory system allows them to breathe through tiny tubes in their body segments, not their heads. So, decapitation, surprisingly, doesn't stop their respiration. Now you might be wondering, what about the brain? Well, a cockroach's brain does not control all its bodily functions the way ours does. Instead, it has nerve tissues in each body segment that control the movement and reaction to the immediate environment. This decentralized system allows them to live for days, even without their heads, until they eventually succumb to dehydration or starvation. Fascinating, isn't it? A headless existence is, without a doubt, an odd life indeed. This is just the beginning. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of cockroaches. Ever wondered why cockroaches are so hard to catch? Believe it or not, they can run up to 3 miles per hour. That's a distance equivalent to a small marathon for their tiny bodies, and they do it in a matter of seconds. This speed, combined with their ability to change direction swiftly, makes them highly elusive to predators, and yes, even your rolled-up newspaper. But it's not just speed that gives them an edge. Their flexible exoskeletons play a pivotal role too. Imagine having a suit of armor that not only protects you, but also allows you to squeeze through the tiniest of cracks. That's exactly what a cockroach's exoskeleton does. It's tough, yet flexible, allowing them to scuttle away into spaces that seem impossible to us. So the next time you see a cockroach zipping across your kitchen floor, remember, it's not just fast, it's built for speed. Next, we'll explore an interesting capability of cockroaches. Cockroaches are known for their resilience, but did you know they can survive without food for a month? Yes, you heard it right. These ultimate survivors can outlast most living creatures when it comes to fasting. They can go on a full month without a single bite of food. But their survival skills don't end here. They can even survive without water for up to 2 weeks. Imagine, 2 weeks without a drop of water. That's an incredible feat of endurance. And if you think that's impressive, wait till you hear this. Cockroaches have a remarkable resistance to radiation. While many insects and animals would perish in a nuclear fallout, cockroaches would thrive, outliving the adverse conditions with their extraordinary resilience. These fascinating survival abilities make cockroaches one of the most enduring creatures on our planet. They've been around for millions of years, and it seems they're here to stay. So, what else do these intriguing creatures have in store for us? You might be surprised to learn that cockroaches can trigger allergies and asthma. That's right, these little critters are not just nuisances. They can actually pose some serious health risks. Cockroaches can produce allergens, which are proteins that can cause allergic reactions in people. These allergens can be found in their feces, saliva, and body parts. This means that even their mere presence can be harmful, let alone a full-blown infestation. When these allergens are inhaled or come into contact with the skin, they can trigger symptoms such as sneezing, itching, and even asthma attacks in severe cases. For people with existing respiratory conditions, this can be particularly hazardous. The allergens can linger in the environment for a long time, even after the cockroaches have been eliminated, making it crucial to not only exterminate the pests, but also thoroughly clean the area. As we continue our countdown, let's look at a cockroach's surprising diet. Cockroaches aren't picky eaters. They're omnivores that can consume almost anything. And when we say anything, we mean it. These creatures are the ultimate opportunistic eaters. Whether it's the crumbs from your midnight snack, a forgotten piece of fruit, or even the grease stain on a pizza box, cockroaches see it all as a buffet. But their diet is not limited to what we typically classify as food. Have a newspaper lying around. A cockroach might just take a bite. The glue used in bookbinding? That's a cockroach delicacy. Even cloth isn't safe from their insatiable appetites. This diverse diet is one of the many reasons cockroaches are such successful survivors. They can thrive in a variety of environments, finding nourishment where other creatures cannot. So, next time you leave your laundry lying around, remember, you might just be inviting some unwanted dinner guests. Moving on, let's explore a cockroach's fascinating reproduction process. When it comes to reproduction, cockroaches are champions. A female can produce up to 300 to 400 offspring in her lifetime. Now brace yourself for some astonishing facts about cockroach reproduction. These tiny creatures have a rapid reproduction rate. A female cockroach can lay an egg case, known as an ootheca, every few weeks. Each ootheca can contain anywhere from 10 to 50 eggs. The ootheca is a marvel of nature. It's a protective casing that ensures the survival of the next generation of roaches. While most insects lay their eggs and leave them to fate, cockroaches do things differently. A female cockroach carries her ootheca around with her, attached to her abdomen, until the eggs are ready to hatch. This adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that a large number of her offspring will survive to adulthood. Next, we'll delve into a cockroach's unique communication method. Cockroaches are more social than you might think. They communicate using pheromones. Now let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating aspect of cockroach communication. Cockroaches, despite their reputation, are not solitary creatures. They live in groups, and like many other social insects, they use chemical signals to interact with each other. These chemical signals are known as pheromones. Pheromones play a crucial role in cockroach society. They help cockroaches detect the presence of their kin, find food sources, and even attract mates. Imagine walking into a room and smelling a delicious aroma, compelling you to follow it to its source. That's what it's like for a cockroach responding to food-related pheromones. Cockroaches also use pheromones to signal danger. When a roach senses a threat, it releases a specific pheromone that sends the rest of the group scurrying for cover. It's their version of shouting, "Run!" Now let's look at a cockroach's unique defense mechanism. When threatened, a cockroach can eject a foul-smelling spray to ward off predators. That's right, these little critters have developed quite the unique defense mechanism to keep danger at bay. They produce an unpleasant, musky odor that can deter potential threats. But that's not all. Some species of cockroaches have even been known to play dead when they feel threatened. Just imagine, a predator approaches, and our crafty cockroach flips over, legs in the air, playing possum. This isn't just a simple act of theatrics, it's a calculated survival strategy. The predator, thinking the cockroach is already dead and not worth the effort, might just move along, leaving the cockroach unharmed. And once the coast is clear, our cockroach simply flips back over and scuttles off, ready to live another day. So, from their nasty odor to their dramatic death act, cockroaches are well equipped in the art of self-defense. As we near the end of our countdown, let's uncover a cockroach's impressive lifespan. Contrary to popular belief, cockroaches don't live forever. However, they do have a lifespan of up to 2 years. That's right, these hardy insects can live considerably longer than the average bug, with some species even clocking in a lifespan of up to 5 years in ideal conditions. This impressive lifespan is due to the cockroach's incredible adaptability and resilience. They've been around since the time of dinosaurs, after all. Their survival is influenced by factors such as temperature, access to food, and the lack of predators. In colder climates, cockroaches can enter a state of dormancy, slowing down their metabolism and extending their lifespan. However, it's not all about longevity. The quality of life matters too. In the wild, cockroaches are vital recyclers, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. So, in their own way, they contribute to the circle of life. Finally, we'll reveal the sheer diversity of cockroach species worldwide. While you may only be familiar with a few types of cockroaches, there are actually over 4,000 species worldwide. This insect family, known as Blattodea, is incredibly diverse, with species found in nearly every part of the globe. From the tropical forests of South America to the arid deserts of Africa, cockroaches have adapted to a wide range of environments. The size of these species can vary greatly. The world's smallest cockroach, the Ataphylla fungicola, is just 4 millimeters long, while the giant burrowing cockroach of Australia can reach up to 80 millimeters. Their appearances are not uniform either. Some sport bright colors, like the emerald cockroach, while others like the Madagascar hissing cockroach are known for their unique sounds. This diversity is a testament to the cockroach's incredible adaptability, a trait that has allowed them to survive for over 300 million years.